So one of our favourite upgrades that we did was we changed the fixed location of this table to a Tommy table, which allows us then to move this tabletop around. That's the location that the fixed table would have been in. Now I'm just going to show you how much room it gives you by being able to move this. With a simple grab of that lever down there, we can move this table back and in out of the way. Gives you a lot more room in the kitchen for coming through here, preparing meals, whatever it may be. With the family, this is super cool too, because you can move this around in all different directions, out of the way, in and out. But one of our favourite features to this one is the fact that we can drop this down for a day bed for those wet days. Or with those movie nights with the kids. So just grabbing this cushion here, stepping on this lever here at the bottom of the table, pushing that all the way down. What that does is it allows us to make up a day bed. We just drop a couple of pillows on that. You can get a foam cutout, whatever it may be, but as I mentioned, a really good option for those wet days where you want to chuck a movie on, or just simply want to relax at night with a bit more room. So if you've got any more questions about the Tommy table, feel free to reach out to us on any of our platforms and ask any questions that you've got.